Hey, what's up? This is Noah and welcome to Skillin It. We learn about important life skills that everyone should have. Brushing your teeth is important. Let's learn some skills to keep our teeth clean and healthy. People usually brush their teeth in the bathroom. It's a good idea to brush your teeth in front of a mirror so you can see what you are doing. You should brush for about 2 minutes. Take out your toothbrush and toothpaste. Try to keep the toothbrush and head clean because it is going in your mouth. Wash the brush a little. Unscrew the toothpaste. Squeeze a little toothpaste onto the toothbrush bristles. You can start brushing the top and bottom of your teeth like this. Next, brush the front top and bottom of your teeth like this. Use an up and down motion. Make sure to use gentle pressure. You do not want to push too hard or rush because you might hurt your teeth. Take your time. After that, brush the back, top, and bottom of your teeth like this. So now you are finished. Rinse your mouth with water like this. Rinse your toothbrush with water and put it back in a container. Put the cap on the toothpaste and put it away. Wipe your face and check in the mirror that you do not have toothpaste on your mouth. Rinse the sink and wipe down the area. You are finished. Protips. It is a good idea to check your toothbrush once a week. If your toothbrush bristles look bent and worn out, it is time to replace it with a new one. It is a good idea to change your toothbrush once a month. They are cheap and you can buy a toothbrush at your local store. Also, make sure to keep your toothbrush container or holder clean. Yuck! That's gross. Wash and dry the container often. Here's a pro tip about toothpaste. Do not just squeeze from the middle. It is better to roll from the back. This makes sure you don't waste toothpaste and also keeps the tube clean. Make sure to close the cap too. Remember, there are other people in your house that brush their teeth, so it is important to be considerate and keep the bathroom area clean. Well, there you go. Hope you learned some important skills on brushing your teeth. Until next time, stay cool, be kind, and keep skilling it. Check out my clean teeth. Yeah.